Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a topic that, let's be honest, affects millions of men, especially once you get over 50, prostate health. We're going to unpack how 5 really common fruits can become your best natural allies in getting that feeling of vitality back.
You know the feeling, right? That constant pressure in your lower belly. Those endless trips to the bathroom that just completely wreck a good night's sleep. And that slow, draining feeling of low energy. So many of us just kind of chalk it up to, well, this is just part of getting older. But what if that's not the whole story? What if these are actually signals your body is sending you, asking for a different kind of help? Today, we're exploring the idea that you can absolutely fight back.
And really, that's what this is all about. The journey to feeling better might not start at the pharmacy counter, but right in your own kitchen. It's about making small but really smart choices with your food, and starting with these 5 specific fruits can give your body the tools it needs to do what it does best: heal and find balance again.
Okay, so let's get into the weeds a bit here. To really get how these fruits can make a difference, we first have to understand what we're up against. All those frustrating symptoms usually come from one place: a swollen, irritated prostate. And the root cause of that irritation? It really boils down to 2 things: oxidative stress and inflammation.
The best way to think about oxidative stress is like a slow, silent rust happening inside your body. You have these unstable molecules that are basically just bouncing around, damaging healthy cells. Now, when this happens in the delicate tissue of the prostate, it rings the alarm bell for inflammation. And that kicks off this vicious cycle, right? The damage causes inflammation, which in turn causes even more damage. It just keeps the prostate in this constant state of being swollen and angry. So that's our target. That's the enemy we need to go after.
So, our first ally in this fight is one you know well: citrus. Yep, we're talking about lemons, oranges, grapefruits. They're not just bright and refreshing. They actually hold the power to help calm that inflammation, right where we need it most.
Now, the real magic of citrus goes way beyond just vitamin C. These fruits are absolutely loaded with something called bioflavonoids, and these are powerful plant-based antioxidants that go head-to-head with that oxidative stress we were just talking about. They help to dial down that whole inflammatory chain reaction, which lets the prostate finally get a break and return to a healthier, calmer state.
So, citrus comes at this with a 3-pronged attack. First, those bioflavonoids go to work on the inflammation. Second, the vitamin C helps build collagen, which is crucial for keeping your blood vessels flexible and strong. And third, it boosts something called nitric oxide, which helps relax those blood vessels, improve circulation, and relieve that feeling of pressure. You know, I heard this story about a man in his late 60s who was just completely exhausted from waking up 4, even 5 times a night. His fix was so simple. He just started squeezing half a lemon into a glass of warm water every morning. And within 2 weeks, he was sleeping better than he had in years. He actually felt rested.
All right, next up, we've got a real dynamic duo: kiwi and cherries. So if citrus kind of prepares the battlefield by improving circulation, this pair comes in with a targeted 1-2 punch against inflammation and that other huge problem, not being able to sleep.
So check this out, because this surprises a lot of people. We all think of oranges as the king of vitamin C, right? But believe it or not, a kiwi actually has more. Ounce for ounce, it's a superior antioxidant shield, which means it does an even better job of putting out that slow-burning fire of oxidative stress inside the prostate.
But kiwi's real secret weapon is an enzyme called actinidin. Now, what this does is improve your digestion. And why does that matter? Well, when your gut isn't happy, your whole body tends to get inflamed, and that absolutely includes the prostate. So a happier gut gives the prostate the breathing room it needs to heal. There's a great story about a 71-year-old retired firefighter, totally worn down by that constant feeling of urgency and just being tired all the time. He started adding 1 kiwi to his daily routine, and before he knew it, the urgency was down, his sleep was better, and he had the energy to actually enjoy life with his grandson again.
And now for the other half of our duo: cherries. Don't let their size fool you. They are a quiet but incredibly powerful ally. And they are lasers focused on 2 of the most disruptive symptoms men deal with: restoring that urinary flow, and maybe just as important, helping you finally get a full, uninterrupted night of sleep. So here's the science behind it. Put simply, your body has this enzyme, COX-2, that basically acts like an on switch for swelling and inflammation. Well, cherries contain compounds called anthocyanins that naturally go in and flip that switch off. By calming that enzyme down, they directly ease the pressure that's restricting your flow. On top of that, they're a natural source of melatonin precursors, helping to get your sleep cycle back on track. I think about the 74-year-old engineer who told someone he hadn't slept for more than 2 hours at a time in years. Can you imagine? He added a small glass of tart cherry juice to his nightly routine. Soon enough, he was down to 1 or 2 bathroom trips a night, and his words were just, "I feel human again."
Okay, so we've worked on calming the inflammation and getting our sleep back. Now, let's talk about building up our defenses, our next allies, a whole family of them. Berries act like a team of guardians for your prostate, shielding it from that daily grind.
And the cool thing is they all have a different job. They work together as a team. You've got blueberries, which are fantastic for circulation. Strawberries have compounds that help regulate healthy cell growth. Raspberries bring these powerful anti-inflammatory ketones to the fight. And blackberries have tannins that actually help strengthen the connective tissue down in your pelvic floor. So a simple handful of mixed berries isn't just one thing. It's a whole multi-layered defense system.
And listen, this goes way beyond just the prostate. The benefits have this amazing ripple effect. Berries also protect your heart, they nourish your brain, and they help keep your blood sugar stable. And for any man over 50, you know that keeping your heart, your brain, and your metabolism healthy, well, that's the absolute trifecta for long-term vitality.
And now, for our final ally. We've saved what some might call the heavy hitter for last. This is the fruit that can sometimes work faster than any of the others, bringing noticeable relief sometimes in less than a day. It hydrates, it soothes, and it carries a compound that is so powerful for prostate health, scientists have been studying it for decades.
The secret to watermelon's power is really twofold. First, it's over 90% water, so it gently helps flush out your entire urinary tract. But the real magic is a compound called lycopene. This is the antioxidant that gives watermelon and tomatoes their red color. And here's the amazing part. It has a special affinity for the prostate. It's like it has a GPS that takes it directly to that tissue. It doesn't just pass through, it actually builds up there, creating a reserve of protection to fight inflammation right at the source.
And here's a fantastic pro tip for you. Lycopene is fat-soluble, so if you pair your watermelon with a small amount of healthy fat, like a handful of almonds or some pumpkin seeds, your body can absorb up to 3 times more of it. There's the story of a 68-year-old retired pilot who'd been struggling for years. He started having a bowl of watermelon with a handful of almonds every morning. He said he was sleeping better in just 2 days, and by the end of that first week, he was sleeping soundly through the entire night.
So we have covered a lot of ground here, haven't we? From the circulation boost you get from citrus all the way to the fast-acting relief from watermelon. So let's bring it all home and talk about what this really means for you. This isn't just about a list of groceries. This is about a toolkit for taking back control and for starting to write your own stronger chapter.
Let's do a super quick recap. Think of it this way. Citrus kickstarts your system by getting the blood flowing. Kiwi floods your body with top-tier antioxidants. Cherries zero in on restoring your sleep and your urinary flow. The berries act like your personal cellular bodyguards, and watermelon comes in with that fast, targeted hydrating relief. Each one has a unique and really vital role to play.
Now, if you only remember one thing from this entire explainer, I want it to be this. Your body is not broken. It hasn't given up on you. All those symptoms, the fatigue, the nightly bathroom runs, that constant frustration, that is not a life sentence. Those are just signals. It's your body's way of raising its hand and asking for the right kind of support, the right fuel to do its job.
So here's my challenge to you, and it's a simple one. Don't feel like you have to do everything all at once. Just start. Pick one. Pick one of these fruits and decide to make it a part of your morning routine tomorrow. That stronger chapter we talked about, it can start with that one simple choice, and I'd love to hear about it.
Which one are you going to try first? Go ahead and drop it in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. It's been a pleasure, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one.